Hi guys, I just hope you are okay. Okay guys, here I have a cool website where you can earn free LTC by just viewing ads and performing the manual Faucet every hour. But this one I think you perform it every 1 minute, I think. Yeah, this one I think is every 1 minute. Yes guys. You see, and they give you a 50 token guys, which you can convert it and withdraw it on a Faucet Pay. If you don't have a Faucet Pay, I'm gonna leave a link down on my description, and please follow it and register so that you can be able to withdraw this LTC. Guys, they have a lot of offer halls where you can earn highly. Check 35 token guys, you can just watch ads. And again, what I like about this guys, you can even go to a Telegram and claim this thing, a token, like guys, a coupon, and they're gonna give you a free coupon which they will give you a 300 token just for free, and you put it there. I have withdrawn once guys. This one works. The money, like, really, you receive the money here, but the withdrawal takes about 24 hours guys. Then please be patient. So if you can verify, please comment on my link down there. I'll leave a link for, I'll send you a link and on your comment so that you can have a website where you can be able to verify it Cloudflare. So guys, here as you can see how guys, this one they give you 50 token just by claiming, and they have 200 claims there guys, just like that guys. They have 200, just that. Imagine guys, if guys you sleep on this one, I don't know.